Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Today we're going to reveal the winner of the last giveaway, and also there will be another giveaway as well today. So the winner of the last giveaway was Jacob Robert Coins. Well done to you for winning. I'm going to put your name in the comment section below. All you have to do is just comment your email address there, and then we'll sort out the postage. So well done for everyone for entering. If you didn't win, unfortunately, there's going to be another one now, and these are the two coins this week that I'm giving away. The first one here, the 2019 Proof Britannia 50p coin. Really nice, this one. This one's out of the 50th year anniversary of the 50p coin. And this one here, the 2020, dun dun dun, another Peter Rabbit 50p coin for you guys there. So all you guys have to do is just comment in the comment section below, and the winner will be drawn in 1 week's time. There will be another giveaway as well opening today, and it will end in a week as well. So make sure you enter that one as well, guys. Thanks for everyone for subscribing to my channel, and as always, thanks for watching.